Hey traders, Raghee here, and let's discuss what we're all looking at here on this Friday session, this half-day session, and that is the new COVID variant sell-off creating clearly some chaos in the Dow and the S&P, and some resiliency in healthcare. Clearly, tech, work from home. Look, there's a playbook that we all have developed through the last year or so, 2 years now, in terms of what we know tends to react a certain way when a variant narrative comes out, when a COVID uptick comes out. And we know, for example, crude oil gets hit very hard. Energy stocks are going to get hit in kind. Then we have healthcare, usually pretty darn stable. Tech is usually going to be pretty strong in light of that. XLK, XLC, XLY, usually, relatively speaking, they will be stronger than their counterparts, like financials weighted within the S&P and the S&P itself. So I'm going to say the same thing that I remind everybody of on a Friday. Don't fade the Friday session. And the reason for that is, if we see weakness into the session, typically what we see on the Sunday open and into the Monday bell is we're going to see a little bit of an echo of that sentiment. So really the message here is it makes sense to wait for two reasons. One, don't fade the Fridays. And two, we are trading beyond, in many instances, the daily price movement range for a lot of these indices, for a lot of these stocks, for a lot of these sectors. And when we trade beyond the typical price movement range, it's a higher degree of unpredictability that accompanies these. So let's give the markets the weekend. Who knows if the narrative gets ratcheted up? Who knows what Sunday's open is going to look like? Let's give ourselves to Monday, Tuesday, the last 2 trading days of November, to situate ourselves as we go into December. I'll see you all in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.